Hi Nevada builders and project owners, I'm Roselle with buildersrisk.net, and in today's quick video, I will be going over how you can protect your next construction project. Now, Nevada is susceptible to natural disasters, vandalisms, and other hazards. Having builder's risk insurance is not just a wise choice, but a necessary one. So what is builder's risk insurance? Builder's risk insurance serves as a vital financial field for Nevada contractors during the construction phase. This insurance covers a wide range of risks, including fire, theft, vandalism, and lightning. It ensures that the costs associated with these incidents are protected. Without this coverage, contractors could face significant out-of-pocket expenses that could derail the entire project. Coverage may include soft costs like architectural fees, debris removal after a covered claims, as well as materials stored on-site or in transit. So what is not covered on this policy? Now, there are a few items that most builders' risk insurance policies do not cover. The most common exclusions in Nevada is wildfire coverage if you live in a wildfire zone, earthquakes, faulty workmanship, injury to employees, and theft by employees. How much does builders' risk insurance cost? Now, since this policy is tailored to your specific project needs, the price will vary considerably from one policy to another. Builders' risk insurance in Nevada typically costs 1 to 4% of your total construction cost, but it excludes land. Several factors influence this percentage, including the project value, the duration, and the type of construction. Location also plays a significant role, with higher premiums for areas prone to natural disasters or higher crime rates. Getting builders' risk insurance policies that give you comprehensive coverage is important. You need to understand what is included and what is not included under your policy. You need to work with experienced agents who know your state's specific needs. At buildersrisk.net, we have 28 years of experience in the field. We can get you same-day policies in most cases with great coverage. We work with the country's top A-rated insurance carriers like Zurich, Liberty Mutual, Hartford, and Distinguished Programs. So you can have peace of mind knowing your project is protected. So let our experience go to work for you. Give us a call at the number on your screen now and secure your construction projects today. Thanks for watching.